Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall printer spooler issues in Windows 11 step by step clearly. To begin, click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Services into the search bar and select the Services app from the results. In the Services window, scroll down to find Print Spooler. Right-click on Print Spooler and select Stop from the context menu. This action will stop the Print Spooler service from running. Next, open File Explorer by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar. In File Explorer, navigate to the following path: C:\system32/spool/printers. You may need administrative permissions to access this folder. Once in the printers folder, delete all files within it. This step clears any stuck print jobs that may be causing issues. After deleting the files, go back to the Services window. Right-click on Print Spooler again and select Start to restart the service. Next, you can confirm if your printer is still connected and powered on. Try printing a test page to see if the issue is resolved. If you continue to experience problems, consider reinstalling your printer drivers. Visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers for your printer. Follow the installation instructions provided to ensure a proper setup. After reinstalling the drivers, try printing again to check if the problem persists. If you're still encountering issues, look into additional troubleshooting options. Try running the built-in Windows troubleshooter for printers, which can help diagnose problems. Go to Settings, then select Update and Security, followed by Troubleshoot. Click on Additional Troubleshooters and choose Printer. This comprehensive approach should help resolve any printer spooler problems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.